All right, so welcome back to part three. Now we're going to look to compare Robinhood to Webull, looking to see which is better for who, and a little bit of comparison between the two. So, first, looking between Robinhood and Webull, both are the same. They both offer zero commission trading, so you don't have to worry about paying fees. So that's great. But we'll go into some of the differences and similarities. So both of them have an iPhone app, Robinhood as well as Webull. For an iPad app or tablet app, Robinhood does not have one. Webull does. Both have a web portal. One good thing, Robinhood does offer fractional shares as well as DRIP, so dividend reinvestment. So any of your dividends you get can automatically be reinvested with your fractional shares. Um, for research, I gave the nod to Webull. There's a little bit in Robinhood, but not much. There's a lot more in Webull that you can do, and then for research, you can definitely do more research in Webull than you can in Robinhood, and can get most of your information from the app itself. And then for free stocks, uh, both offer free stocks. So that is a benefit for any referrals you sign up or if you sign up, which my link is in the description. If you're interested in signing up for either Robinhood, Webull, or both, you can go ahead and sign up and get yourself a free stock. So get yourself free money. You can open it up, deposit some money, get your free stock, sell it, and then transfer all your money out if you'd like. But I think either of these you would be enjoy. So looking at the two uh, apps, I have some things on best for dividends, best for research, best referral program, and the simplicity on which is better at each. So for dividends, Robinhood is definitely the best because they do offer this fractional shares and dividend reinvestment. Um, so if you want to be able to do that, then that works great. If you are someone that doesn't want to do dividend reimbursement and you want to just get the cash and take it out to use it for uh, anything for date night or whatever, then either of them would work great. If you want to use the money and then go look for your own shares to buy separately, then reinvesting, then you could do that as well, which is also a good potential that you could do on waiting until there's a dip and then you buy back in the stock versus the reinvestment. When you get your dividend, it'll automatically go back into the stock. Um, so that's just a preference on how you'd like to handle, but just for simplicity, Robinhood is probably best for dividends if you are set up for fractional shares. I know there's still a long waiting list, so if you don't have that, then uh, probably I would say Webull would probably be recommended until you do get fractional shares. So best for research would definitely be Webull with all the information that you get in the app. So I would for sure say that that's best for research. You get a little bit within Robinhood, but it's nothing compared to Webull on all the information you can get. Best referral program, I would say Webull wins as well due to the fact that they give you higher shares. Any that I've gotten from Robinhood have been $2 to $4. Webull often runs promotions where if you refer friends, you can get 3, 6, 9 different stocks, multiple stocks that are valued at $12 plus. So you definitely get better referrals for Webull than you do for Robinhood. And then for simplicity, I would say for sure Robinhood is best because it's just simply easy laid out, not complicated. You get just the information you need without over complicating things. Um, so that is that. We'll quickly look at the web portal. So here's my current portfolio today for Robinhood. I'm down just under 1%. So as you can see, it's a simple laid out, gives you some news information and then information on your stocks. So that's easy and see as I have fractional shares. Then Looking at Webull, you can see here, so here's their login page, so your history that you have. If you go to trading, they have a really good web portal that they have that is very complicated and very lots of information that you can have. So within here, you can look at different stocks. You can even set up, whoops, didn't mean to do that. You can do a grid, and you can do up to 9 stocks. So you can move your stocks that you have or any stocks that you want into these windows and get information on them. So that is definitely something that's a plus. You could have this just on your desktop running, and you can go work about, do whatever you need to do, and then come back and check your stocks. So that's definitely something that I enjoy about the Webull portal, that you have all this information here. You can see here you get the stock, you get your positions, you can see any orders that you have, you get news, financials, press releases. So you get all your information like you get in the app, but loaded here on the web, as well as you get these quick charts, time of sale. So you get all sorts of information loaded in on the web portal. Then you can also look at the markets. You get all this overview like we have in the app. So you get all of the information like you have in the web port or the phone portal, but it's all laid out here on the web, and it's very nice and a little more complicated than you would have in Robinhood, which is just easy, simple, laid out. You can do a lot of customization, add different things within here. So if you want to add a new board, you can create a blank one and add widgets to a default stock trading or multi-trades. So there's a lot of customization that you can do within the Webull app, so in their web portal. So that is one thing that's cool and I enjoy about this. It's definitely more laid out and more information. So great for research, or if you're more updated broker or trader that likes to look at multiple things and able to visualize this better than something that's easily just laid out like this, and you can look at one stock at a time, look what you want to do, and then go from there. So that is going to be it for now. So, also I did want to show, I have this stock tracker that I created that has an overview of all of my stocks. If anyone is interested in this, let me know, and I can do a separate video on that, looking at your shares, your average cost, your total cost, what your price changes, your market gain today, your overall gains, a chart of the last 365 days, and then down here giving you a portfolio of your total stock portfolio as well as by sector. And then I have another tab here on my dividends, on their payout ratio and dividend growth and yield. Then I kind of have a watch list that I made giving information in there. So if anyone's interested in that, please let me know, and I will look to make another video on that if you're interested. But thanks for watching, and have a great day. Thank you.